Here's how to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Now let's open up the Instagram app here. I'm on my iPhone, but of course you can do the exact same steps on an Android as well. It works the exact same. Now I'll show you what I mean. Let's tap on the profile button at the bottom right, that generic one, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Now, normally you can switch to a private account in your settings here just by going down and choosing the account privacy under who can see your content. You can see private account, I can just toggle this on and it seems all good to go. But when I get to the last step, it says creator account can't be private, or it might say a business account can't be private. The way to be able to do this is you need to go back to your settings and turn off professional mode, either creator or business. And you can do that by going up to the top here. You can see at the very beginning, you can see Account Center at the very top. We're going to scroll down until we find the option that says Business Tools and Controls under For Professionals. Tap on that, and now all we'll do is scroll down to the very bottom, and you can see Switch Account Type towards the bottom. Let's choose on that because we need to go back to a personal account for it to be private. A business or creator account cannot be private by default. So switch to a personal account here, and hit Switch to Personal Account. Now, after we've done that, all we need to do is go back out here. And from here, let's go back to account privacy where we were before, and let's try it again. Turn this on and hit switch to private. And if it still says you can't do that, you might need to refresh things. So let's close out of the Instagram app, open up the Instagram app again, tap on the profile, and then the three lines. And you might need to go through this process again, tap on account privacy, and turn on a public or private account here after it registers that you've went back to a personal account.